Hey everybody, it's Lucia. I was cleaning my room, my sewing slash craft room, because it's an absolute mess and I can't fit anything else in it. So I'm going vertical. I'm having my husband build me some more shelves and yeah, so I can fit all my stuff in here. Got too much stuff. Anyway, as I was cleaning, I came across this piece of styrofoam that I had saved for some reason. I don't know what. And it looks like it's a little under 12 inches. And probably two... and 2 feet 4 inches about. It's a good size and it's not very thick. It's about, oh, let me see, I can see it from here, about an inch. So I tossed it in the pile to throw away, and then I thought about it. I said, oh, that's styrofoam. I hate throwing styrofoam away. And I thought, you know, I need something to put in front of my sewing machine to like pin things to or hold things. So I thought this would be perfect. So I tested it with a pin to see how good things would stick to it. And it did pretty good. Things stick to it. And then I found some of these old, I guess, applique pins. And the head is very small. So I thought I could use that to wrap this in fabric and pin it. So then, I mean, who wants to clean, right? When you find something you can do as a project. So then I went to my fabric stash and I have a bunch of this fabric. I mean, look how much is on there. I have a lot. I bought a lot of this. So I thought, oh, I could start making little sewing accessories for my sewing machine around with using this fabric, because I have plenty. So I'm going to start with a little board to go behind where my sewing machine is, and I can pin things to it. So that's what I did. I cut a piece of fabric and I didn't iron it, and I'm not going to. And I'm just going to cover this with this fabric, and I think it's going to turn out great. So I'm just trying to get it kind of even so my dress forms aren't all wonky. I'm going to turn it over, and all I'm going to do is start sticking pins in here so it will stay down. Just like that. And then the corners, I'm probably gonna stick it down, and then when I get to a corner, I don't know, I'm gonna do the edges first, and then we'll figure out the corners. I'll miter them. I think these pins are like what they use when they make like ornaments and eggs with ribbon. They wrap them. I'm trying to slide it over, but I don't have much room on this desk. And if I don't, you know, put this on permanently, like glue it down or whatever, I can always change it out if I change my mind or I get tired of it. Okay, so that's the front. I'm going to kind of pull it tight. So it's kind of tight, and I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to do the same. And I'm holding it as, excuse me, as I pin. So it doesn't loosen up on the other side. I didn't cut very straight, did I? Probably because I was using paper scissors and it wasn't cutting very well. And I knew this part's going to be against the wall also, so... Anything to interrupt cleaning. I feel like I've been cleaning my craft room for years. And it never gets to a state where, well, it does get to a state where I like it, but then I come in and do a project and I dig and pull things out and I don't put them away right away, so piles are all over the place. I mean, this side over here is like nothing but stuff. Here, let me see if I can show you. Oh, you can't see it very well, but it's all junk. I might give you a little overview afterwards. We'll see. Okay. So we got the two long sides on, and isn't that pretty? I love how that's looking. Okay, so let's do the edge here. Do I want to cut some off? Or do I just want to... I have a shelf right here, so I can't lay it flat to turn it. So maybe I should fold it like a present. See how that looks on the other side. This is how I folded it, just like you would fold a present. So I folded it down, got this kind of straight, fold it down, and then up. I'm going to stick a pin there real quick so we can turn it over and see what it looks like. I feel like I got a wrinkle in there. Stick a pin underneath and a pin on top. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, that looks nice. It looks nice. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Gonna stick a pin in there. We'll fold this over. Make sure it's tight. Stick a pin in there, and I might stick another one down here now because I'm done. Okay, and then I think I might fold this under just because. And I'm putting my pins in kind of at a slant. I didn't feel any coming through the styrofoam. I mean, I think the styrofoam is thicker than the pins by a little bit. And that gets these pins that I'm never going to use, also it gives them a use and a purpose. Okay, let's see. Oh, that looks nice. Nice edges. See how that looks? Perfect. Okay, the other side. Oh, this side I might have to cut some off. Okay, so let's do that. These are the scissors I use that are paper scissors that don't cut very well. Let me get my fabric scissors. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, put these back on my sewing machine. All right. Why is this not working? Let's do this side first. I forgot I dumped all these pins here. I was about to pick this up. Got some blue thread on me. Can't pick them up. Okay, got that side. Now let's try this side again. There we go. It's a little wonky right there for some reason. Got a little wrinkle, but I'm okay with it for what it's going to be used for. Let's see if I can get out. I've been doing so much cleaning and I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. And I found some stuff that I forgot I had, which is always nice. I'm trying to separate my room into like sewing stuff and art stuff. And put things where I know where they are. Because right now, well, I haven't arted in a long time either. I mean, I've sewn a little bit, but I haven't really done any art. So I'm trying to get back into things again. I've done a few projects. I've been meaning to do a video on all the projects I've been doing. Okay. So, there it is. That's what the back looks like. And this is what the front looks like. So pretty. I can't wait to put this up in front of my sewing machine. And I can like stick things in it. I can pin a block to it if I want to see what it looks like. I can do all kinds of things. I'll try to get it up and take a picture and show you what it looks like after I put it in its place. Thanks for watching. Bye. So here's a picture of my finished board. And it's right, here's my sewing machine, and it's just on a small little table here. So right above it is where I put the board I made, and I just have various things hanging off of it. I like it. I like it a lot. And right above that, oops, there's a lot of light. Let me see if I can fix that light. Okay, I turned off that lamp that I have right over my sewing machine. And then right above it, I just have a little collection of things. My plan is to buy a bunch of these little shelves. I found this one at the secondhand store. That one I think I found at the secondhand store. I tried to get the legs off that one, but I couldn't. So it is what it is for right now. Anyway, I want to fill this whole wall with little things like that. So that's my sewing machine side and my little pin board I made, and it was really quick and easy, and I was in the middle of cleaning and decided, hey, I need something to stick here, and there you go. And I used up some fabric. Bye.